The first part of this video shows you how to set up a subtotal item to use on invoices and sales receipts. The second half covers setting up a discount item. A subtotal item adds up all the items on the lines above it on an invoice. For example, you could create a subtotal of several items and then apply a discount to those items. You can also have more than one subtotal on an invoice. If you provide both services and products, you can create a subtotal for the services and then create another subtotal for the products to calculate the sales tax on just the products, not the services. To add a subtotal item, open the items list. Click Items and Services on the home page, and you'll see the item list. To add a new item, click the Item button and choose New. I'm creating a subtotal, so I'll choose Subtotal as the item type. In the item name number field, type a unique identifier for the item. The description is optional, but let's type one anyway since it will appear on the invoice and your customers will see it. So let's just click OK, and you can see the item in the item list. Now I'll show you how to set up a discount item. A discount item subtracts a percentage or fixed amount on the item in an invoice immediately above it, or on a subtotal. You can create several discount items, one for wholesalers, one for family friends, another for volume purchases, and another for special holiday promotions. So go to the Item button and click New, and click Discount as the item type. I'm going to make this discount a 10% discount, so I'll type 10%, and I will make it a sub-item of the discounts item. In the description field, I'll type a little bit more information. So I'll call it 10% volume purchase discount. In the amount or percentage field, type a positive fixed amount, such as 5 for $5 or percentage to be subtracted from the invoice. If you're using a percentage, you must include the percentage symbol. So for 10%, I'll type 10%. Without the percentage symbol, QuickBooks would use the amount as $10, not 10%. Next, choose the income or expense account to post to. If you choose an income account, the discount amount shows up as a negative income. If you choose an expense account, your expenses are increased. Either way, your profit ends up the same. Ask your accountant what type of account you should use. This next option tells QuickBooks how to apply the discount, either before or after calculating sales tax. Your accountant or local tax agency should let you know what method you should use. So choose Tax to apply the discount before the sales tax is calculated. This reduces the amount of sales tax charged to the customer. If you choose None, the discount is applied to the taxable items after the sales tax is calculated. So my accountant said to use Tax, so that's what I'll choose, and click OK to save the discount item. And there you can see the discount item as a sub-item of discounts. So let's close the item list, and I'll quickly show you an invoice and how these items work. I'll just enter a bird bath ice eliminator. Can't have those little birds frozen. And I'll enter another item about a fountain light. And then I want to apply a discount to these two items. So first, I'll subtotal the items. Subtotal. And then I'll apply the 10% discount item I just made. And you can see that QuickBooks has calculated the discounted amount. So that gives you an idea of how subtotals and discounts can work on an invoice. I'll close this invoice since it's not a real invoice. And so that's how discounts and subtotal items are created.